Hola, estudiantes! Welcome to another Spanish video lesson with me, Señora C. Today's lesson is all about numbers. You may be wondering, why to 101? Well, we will get to that a little later. But for now, let's talk about why numbers are so important. So why do we need to know numbers? Well, you might need to tell the date or recognize the date. I'm sure you will have to tell time at some point. And wouldn't it be nice if we didn't have to pay for certain items? Yet it's necessary. So this gives you a few ideas of how numbers are used in a practical way. Now, let's count to 101. Los números 0 a 10. Numbers 0 to 10. I will pause after saying each number so you will have time to repeat. Are you ready? Está bien. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Los números 11 a 20. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Los números 21 a 30. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. Los números 31 a 100. Now, as we go through these numbers, I will not give every single number between 31 and 100, but I will show you the patterns of how the numbers are formed. 31. That's 30 and 1. 31. 40. 42. This number follows the same pattern as 31. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. So from 31 to 99, you will see the same three-word pattern. When you count beyond 100, 100 changes form to ciento, and then you add the other numbers. 101. 101. And that's our number, 101. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to review it so that you can learn the numbers well. Adios. Until next time, hasta luego. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell.